knitting, playing piano, surfing the internet, baking, gardening, playing computer game, cooking, skateboarding, handicrafts, chess, jogging, architecture, risk, leisure, handicrafts. Hello everybody, my name is Qian. I'm 17 years old. I am student. Hanoi Open University. I live in Hanoi City. My hobby are watching video of teacher tree and play football. Thank you for listening.